Barrio Fiesta in Cheshire. Sarap ang ano to Ayan ang stage. Stage nila. Ay, tara na. King ano, tour guide. Uy, the ice cream is there again, oh. Nandun sa Bentley pa.
This will be your outro, okay?
Intro pa lang?
No, outro.
Ayan na, oh. Mayroon sila, oh. Kusina. Yan. Longganisa loaded. Oh, yung galing naman.
Ang galing sa price.
Ang galing naman. May ano sila, oh.
You don't have to much close. Yeah. Because it melts down. There's something set up for it.
Cesar Barrio Fiesta, and we're here for...
Oh, grabe. Ang dami-daming tao na. And it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Ayan, napadaan ako dito sa Lemfi. Sino to? Sino guwapo na to? The best rates. Zero transfer fee. And get 10% cashback. O yan, mga Pinoy dito sa UK. Just try Lemfi. And baka may malibre kayo na ano. Libre sa unang transfer nyo kasi sabi niya zero daw. And delivered in 10 minutes. In minutes lang. Ay, ito ang mga gwapong, mga poging, mga tatlong pogi na ano, oh. Yeah.
Hi, Miss JJ. Welcome to Cheshire Barrio Fiesta.
Yes.
We're here for
Lempa. Yay!
And I am in Cheshire East Barrio Fiesta 2025, and I am with Lampa.
Yay! Follow me! Mamaya! Ayan, nandito tayo sa Kangen Water. Ito yung ang water filter ko na ginagamit ko sa bahay. Pero mayroon na silang bago. Yan ang bago nila. The best home-based global business. No sign of fee. Yan po. Ayun, may siupaw pa silang binibinta. Oh. Ito yung bagong machine ng Kangen. Ang sarap talaga ng tubig na walang chlorine. Masarap inumin at saka may iba pa silang function. Pwede sa pampaganda. At saka kung meron kayong problema sa skin o may mga skin problem like eczema or psoriasis, pwede nyo rin gamitin itong water na to at pwede rin gamitin na disinfectant yung bad water na lumalabas dito. Tapos yung clean water lumalabas dito. Ito ang bago nilang machine. Mura lang. You don't need to buy, just franchise. Ito yung siya ay dating nurse at saka nagano na siya sa business ng Kangen. At she's traveling around the world just to train sa mga gustong mag-franchise. Kaya ito si Sis Mary.
Hi everyone, welcome. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whichever part of the world you are. We are here at Cheshire enjoying the atmosphere of the amazing Filipino Barrio Fiesta. So please guys, check this out, our amazing product. This is the only best investment that you can invest for yourself and your family. Drink the best, healthiest water, Kangen water.
At kumain din ng siupaw. Bumili ako ng 3 siupaw, 3 for 10, luto sa Kangen. At
Halika na po kayo dito, halika na.
tapos na. Magtatapos na mamaya ang Barrio Fiesta. See you soon next year. Okay, thank you.
Creative Hearts United, Yorkshire Filipino Group, Crew Lions Club, and NJR Drum and Lyre. Okay, so we're now starting and waiting for more people to come. But of course, we got loads of performances like this band behind me. We are all gonna entertain you for the whole day. Any announcement, please approach us. If we are missing some more of your sponsors, some of our sponsors, please approach us if there's any additional. Thanks ever so much.
Don't do that.
Please don't rain.
Alright.
At nandito pa naman tayo sa TFC, ayan.
Yes, we have TFC.
Of course,
Wow.
TFC, we've got Britannia ngayon.
Ayan, Britannia ngayon. So, good
Hello po.
morning.
So, smile kayo dyan.
My name is
Para makita niyo yung mga mukha niyo sa
Britannia. Sa
Britannia and TFC,
Ayun,
di ba?
Yes.
Ayan, pahinigin natin ang araw na ito. Medyo makulimlim pero the sun will come out soon. So, ayan.
Yes.
Okay,
Simulan
one more time.
natin. Once again, please welcome ako sa Sun Boys! Judges, hindi pa nine.
Yes, para sa 50 pounds.
Yes, hello. Yeah, 50 pounds! Hello, good morning! Yeah, hello, check.
Kumakaway ang TV
Remember, put it in your mind. 50 pounds.
Ang barbecue din yun, Kim, panghalo-halo.
Oo naman.
Put your hands.
Para sa 50 pounds.
Lucky.
We would like to say thank you to our TMS brand sponsors, Airtel Visa Services, Neolife.
This is Team Kim because they are mentioning about the team. Team Ulin. This is Team Kim. Picture na dalawa.